Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction myself. My name is Tiara Purata Yusroto Putri. Theme Syariah Economic Class C. Name 2110x0100xy. Title Influence of COVID-19 on Activities Economic Growth in Indonesia. Introduction. The restriction on activities due to the COVID-19 pandemic have greatly affected the community's economy. Restriction on community activities affect business activities that are in the economy. The economic impact of the COVID-19 era led to mass business bankruptcies. There are many companies and shops that have closed due to COVID-19, which has resulted in increased unemployment in Indonesia. The COVID-19 pandemic has also greatly affected the slowing world economic growth. Next, discussion. Number 1, negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 2, the impact of COVID-19 on the tourist sector. Number 3, the COVID-19 pandemic can affect small and medium-sized business. Next, conclusion. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has had major impact on the economy. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a drastic decline in world income. The COVID-19 pandemic has not only affected the economy but also had an impact on tourists and companies. The impact caused increasing unemployment, bankrupt businessmen, and closed shops. Number 1, negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The World Health Organization or WHO has received a report that China has found a coronavirus that attacks the respiratory tract. The coronavirus has spread in various countries in less than 2 months. The virus has attacked more than 1,000 countries, especially Indonesia, which can kill many victims. Various developed countries have made lockdown policies so that people don't leave their homes and do not gather to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Indonesia has also implemented large-scale social restriction or PSBB made by the government. There are several examples of the impact of the COVID-19 virus on life. Example. Number 1, impact on society. The social restrictions imposed by government when leaving the house are always wearing a mask, maintaining a minimum distance of the 1 meter, checking body temperature, and washing hands with soap. The implementation of this health protocol must be implemented to reduce the transmission of the COVID-19 virus. Number 2, impact on economy. The tourism sector and the aviation sector are empty of visitors due to social distancing policies. In the factory industrial sector, there is a decline in production, which has resulted in many employees being sent home by the company to be unemployed. In the soup or stall sector, a policy is also given to open at 8 until 9 o'clock. Number 3, impact on education. The Ministry of Education and Culture implements that school or college organization online learning system. With this system, all material and achievement can be shared online. Number 4, impact on work. At the workplace, there is a work from home or WFH system to reduce growth and break the chain of spread of the COVID-19 virus. Number 2, the impact of the COVID-19 on the tourist sector. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the tourist industry, especially Indonesian, is certainly very influential. Discrete tourist visit and the impact on the investment and trade sector. The government's effort to anticipate the decline in the number of tourists are encouraging the number of domestic tourists, diverting flight routes, and promoting an alternative tourist destination. Number 3. The COVID-19 pandemic can affect small and medium-sized business. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic affects the small and medium-sized business sector because foreign tourists who come to a destination will usually buy souvenirs to take home. If foreign tourists are unable to visit, this will greatly affect the income of small and medium-sized business with fall. Reference https Indonesia Baik, infografis pariwisata Indonesia di tengah virus corona, and Jurnal Ilmiah Mahasiswa Ekonomi Syariah, volume 1, nomor 1 Maret 2001. That's all for me and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.